So first up, we do 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then we move on to 2 tablespoons of custard sugar. Then you put in half teaspoon of baking powder. Then you add in 1 tablespoon of confetti sprinkles. Then mix in all the dry ingredients. I've just mixed in 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I'm gonna mix everything together. Get a nice smooth consistency like this and place it in the oven for 1 minute and 15 seconds. And just like that, vanilla funfetti microwave cake is good to go.